Hey guys, it's me. I'm actually just getting out of an appointment with my endocrinologist. Alexa says hi.
I'm eating noodles.
And then that story. Actually, holy. I actually just got out of the doctor's office for my Turners.
I'm eating some more noodles.
And it's about, what time is it? Just about 3:30. And I finally I start my growth hormones tonight for my Turner syndrome. For those of you who don't know what Turner syndrome is,
Really good. Yeah, they are.
Starving.
It is a deficient. It's a syndrome where and it's only in girls, but your chromosomes are either deformed or they don't really. They're deformed or they're missing an X. So that's me. But I just got my
If you stop at the grocery store,
my EpiPen, and it's kind of like an EpiPen. I'll make a video showing it tonight because I start my treatments tonight, hopefully. But yeah, I'm gonna be making videos throughout my 6 months for now.
After we go get our needles and stuff.
I actually just got enough for 3 months right now, so I'll be making videos all the time, trying to just showing you what it's all about and how my program and how my growth, how my hormones are going, and how my growth hormones are actually going with me and stuff. So yeah, that's just an update.
I got a
Bye.
juice because I was thirsty.